issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Abbeville County in upstate South Carolina, Greenwood County in upstate South Carolina, until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles south of Abbeville, or 6 miles northwest of Troy, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour with gusts and ping-pong ball-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Greenwood, 96, Troy, Lake Greenwood State Park, 96 Historic Site, Promised Land, Bradley, Cherokee, and Dyson. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Lake Greenwood is in the path of the storm. Get away from the water and seek shelter in an interior room in the nearest shelter. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville-Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina, Abbeville, and Greenwood. The National Weather Service